Hello everyone, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. Look what I have here. It is July's limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook, and it came just in time for me to make this video during my lunch break. So I am so excited. I couldn't wait till after work. So let's take a look and see what's inside. It is summertime, so I am sure it is going to be filled with summer papers and flowers. All right, here we go. And let's start with our flowers. Let me two. That's unusual. Oh, here we go. I knew it. We have 3 summery flowers. Look how pretty. And these are from Prima. Oh, that one's got a butterfly. Very nice. Oh, stamp. I love to get stamps, and this is another stamp that I don't have yet, so yay. These are great too. Great texture and like background stamps, so that's awesome. And let's see, we've got chipboard stickers, a lot of summer themed stickers here. Got some beach stuff. Yay. Yay, love beach stuff. And here's some more stickers with alphabet stickers from Remarks. And they're very, I don't know if you can even see that, they're very glittery. Very nice. And hey, we have another stencil. This is similar, but not exactly. This isn't the same one we got last time, so I think I have a score there too, because this is a different stencil, which is awesome. Love it. And let's see. Okay, here we go. I wondered why that one was out hanging out by itself. We have some cards. These are great for making cards, actually. It's a great focal point. Oh, these are nice. Mermaid off duty. Mermaid, oh. Very cute, very beachy, very summery. Just as I expected. Okay, our ephemera I'll open at the end. And here we go for our papers. Look at that. Surfboard collection. Prima Marketing is the paper, and this one's called Sun and Fun. Very nice. It is very summery. Ooh, I like that. I like that side. Very cool. All right. Wow. A lot going on there. Active page, just like summer. It's just full of activities. Oh, look. Yay, hanging out at the pool or at the beach. Oh, look, waves. It's very cute. Ah, which goes perfectly with our stencil, right? Here we go. Perfect. That's going to be awesome. All right, what's on the back? Oh, look. Now, I don't know. I can never remember what month it is, but I guess it was maybe last year. It could be, because it was another kit that has a lot of this type of thing, and I still have plenty left over from it. So, and that's what's really cool. Because sometimes the things come around and they're similar colors and they work really well with what you may already have left over, you know, from a similar kit before, which just increases your stash, so that's awesome. Okay, second page for this. Cool. And, oh, there we go. More big cards. Ooh, I like that page. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. Surfboards. So much fun. Oh, another kind of wavy page. Very nice. And just a nice, that's a great background. Ooh, wow. Or actually, you maybe put it in front of something wild like that way. That's what I like to do, like when I make cards. So look at this and think, oh gosh, how would I use that? But if you use that as your first layer, and then you go over it and put a second layer on it like that, it gives a nice little festive little peek through on the edge. But then you have more of of a solid, constant page to work with, where you can add different elements and it not be too crazy. So it's good to have a mixture of both. Oh, and this page looks like we have 2 of those. Very nice. Let's take a look at our ephemera. Oh, I'm gonna have to rip this one open. I love that though. Look, see, I keep these. If you watch my channel, a lot of times I'll use cardboard or old package for the back, and so I always keep these because look how pretty that is. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's take a look and see what we've got. Nice. Oh gosh, I don't know if you can hear that. It was a loud thunder. It's gonna storm. Let's see. All right. Lots of good little pieces, a couple of larger pieces. These are great. All right. So let's put this all back together. Okay, I'm going to give a quick recap. And make sure you stick around at the end of my video. I always have pictures for all of the elements. That way, hopefully you can get a better up-close view of them than what you see on the video. So, and actually I do that with all of my videos. Whatever it is I make, I usually add some close-up pictures at the end so you can really get a better look at it. All right, so here are our pretty papers. We've got the stickers with the alphabet that are nice and glittery. We've got this wave stencil that goes perfectly with these papers. We've got the chipboard stickers that also go and match the paper. Sorry, they go with and match the paper. Those are nice. We have our very cool texture stamp. I'm super excited about that. We have these cards. These are great to use as a focal point. We have the pretty Prima paper flowers. And of course, I didn't put it back in the bag, we have our paper ephemera pack, which is awesome. All right, great stuff to work with this summer in this month's kit. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And if you did, if you're interested in taking a look and getting a kit of your own, I'll include the link to my creative scrapbook just so you can pop over and see what they've got. They have a variety of different kits. There are several other companies that offer kits too. I'm not affiliated with my creative scrapbook. It's just the one I get and I really like it, but there are plenty others, so try one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would be so awesome. I would really appreciate it. That's it for this one. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.